Today I'll be showing you how to connect a MariaDB to Google Sheets, as well as how to run and schedule query. So let's get started. To set up your database, go to the Toolbar section and within Add-ons, go to Castodia Database Connector and click Settings. Here you can manage your database by either creating a new database or by editing a current database. So to create a new database, you'll need to compile some database connection information, which consists of 5 components: database name, host, port, username, and password. If you're unsure of where to get this information, a great place to start would be to contact your engineering, analytics, or IT team. And so once you've received the credentials, you can paste it in. So database nickname, I will use Maria Database Sample. Click on the drop-down menu to access the database. Input the database name, host, which is usually a link, port, username, and password. After that, click Test to verify if your credentials are okay. And once they are, click Save. And that's how you set up your database. Now let's run queries. To run a query, go to your add-ons again, but this time go to Launch. Now select the database that you would like to use. So for us, we just save the MariaDB sample. Next, paste in your query. I will do select all from the demo table and then click Run. After doing that, you can go ahead and save your query. So a query name is always mandatory, but the description is optional. And then go ahead and click Save. Now let's schedule queries. To schedule a query, go to the Schedule tab, and here you can choose the query that you'd like to schedule and the sheet you'd like to run it in. You can choose to repeat it or run it once, every day, on certain days of the week, certain days of the month, and certain months of the year. So I will do every day and run every 1 minute. Next, you can choose a time range. So for me, I will choose 6:40 a.m. to 8:04 p.m. And then I'll go ahead and click Schedule. After you schedule a query, you need to make sure to share the sheet with the Castodia email. So go ahead and click the icon, and then go to Share, and share it with us. Make sure that the edit option is on before you save, and then go ahead and click Send. It's also important to note that whenever you do add a new query or a schedule, a pink line will form underneath the sheet name just like this to indicate that you've used the add-on, which is a really helpful way to manage your sheets in the future when you're using multiple sheets at once. So now in a minute, we'll see our spreadsheet update with a new entry. And that's it.